my friends, my dear students. I miss you so much. Hope you are enjoying your vacation at home, not going out because of this virus. I miss you so much. Hope we can meet soon, inshallah, ya Rab, because I miss you so much. Today we are gonna take the second lesson for in geometry, as we covered last week the polygons, everything concerning polygons, the either how can we determine if this is a polygon or not, and the names of the polygons, and what else, everything concerning the polygons. Today our next lesson is about triangles. Triangles, triangles. We're gonna take the first part of chapter, the triangle, which is classification of triangles by the length of their sides. What does this mean? I will classify, or I will determine the type of the triangle based on the length of its side. There are names for triangles based on the length of their sides. For example, here, if in the first triangle, this triangle, all its sides are equal. What does this mean? It means if this side equals to 3 centimeters, so this side will be same, equals to 3 centimeters, and this side will be also equal to 3 centimeters. So this triangle has equal sides. Equal sides. What does it mean, equal sides? All its side length are equal. We name such a triangle as an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, it comes from equal. Equilateral triangle. It means that all the sides of this triangle are equal. All the sides are equal. If this side equals 5 centimeters, so this side will be also equal 5 centimeters, and this side will also be equal 5 centimeters. That's why we name this triangle as an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Okay? So what about the second type of triangles? How can we name this? From this triangle we can see that there are only two sides which are equal, but the third side is not equal to these two sides. So here two sides are equal. For example, if this side equals to 3 centimeters, this side will also be equals to 3 centimeters, but this side maybe will be equal to 4 centimeters. It's not, all sides are not equal. I just have two sides which are equal. So if I have two sides only equal in any triangle, we name this triangle isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle means a triangle with only two sides which are equal. The third side is not equal to both sides. Again, example, if I have this side equals 10 centimeters, for example, so this side will also be equals to 10 centimeters, but this side will be equal, for example, to 6 centimeters. So only two sides are equal. So I name a triangle with only two sides equal isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What about this side, this triangle? You see from the drawing that there are neither side equal to the other. This side might be equal to 3 centimeters, this side might be equal to 7 centimeters, this side might be equal to 10 centimeters. All sides are not equal to each other. All sides, they are not equal. So the triangle which all sides are not equal or are different in their sizes, we call it as scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. So I have three types or three names for the triangle based on the length of its side. If I have a triangle with all sides equal, so I name it, or I call it, as an equilateral triangle. Equilateral, it comes from equal, يعني it means that all its sides are equal. All the triangle sides are equal. What about this triangle? This side where two sides only, this triangle where two sides only are equal, but the third side is not equal to them, I name it as an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. يبقى isosceles triangle means a triangle with two sides equal only. Two sides are equal. Equilateral triangle, it means that it's a triangle with the three sides equal to each other. The third one, where all sides are different, they are not the same, they are different in their measures. They are not the same. If this side equals to 3 centimeters, this side might be equal to 10 centimeters, and this side might be also equal to 7 centimeters, for example. So all sides are different in their measure, so I named this triangle as a scalene triangle. So I have three types of triangles: equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangle. Here also example: equilateral, three sides equal, all the sides are equal. Isosceles, two sides only are equal. This 5 centimeter and this might be 5 centimeter, but the third side may be equal to 4 centimeters. Okay. The scalene, no equal sides, all sides are different in their measures. The scalene, all sides are different. Let's take an exercise in order to clarify it more. Identify each triangle based on the sides: equilateral, ولا isosceles, or scalene. Here I have a triangle, 2 yards, 2 yards, 2 yards. يعني each side equals to 2. So the first example is the first problem is answered already. It's an equilateral triangle because all sides equal to 2 yards, or to the measure yards. Yes. What about the second one? Here one side equals to 3, the second side equals to 5, the third side equals to 7. يعني no, all sides are not equal, they are different, they have different measures. So is it equilateral or isosceles or scalene? Yes, it's scalene. Scalene because all sides are different in their measures. What about the third one? First side equals to 3 feet, second side equals to 3 feet, and the third side equals to 5 feet. So two sides only equal. There are two sides which are equal. So what's the name of this triangle? Yes, isosceles triangle, because there are only two sides which are equal. The third one is different in measure. Yes, right. Number 4, first side equal 2, second side equal 2 inches, and the third side equals 3 inches. So I have only two equal sides. So what's the name of this triangle? Is it equilateral, all sides are equal, isosceles, two sides only equal, or scalene, all sides are different in measure? Yes, it's isosceles. Isosceles because I have two sides, but I have only two sides which are equal to each other, 2 inches. Number 5, all sides equal to 4 feet. First side 4 feet, second side 4 feet, and third side is 4 feet. So all sides are equal. So what's the name of the triangle which is coming from equal? It's equilateral triangle. Right, bravo. It's an equilateral triangle. Number 6, first side 8 yards, second side 9 yards, and the third side is 7 yards. All sides are different in their measure. So what's the name of this? No, all sides are different. So it is scalene triangle. Scalene. Number 7 also, it's scalene because the first side is 6, second is 4, and the third is 9. All sides are different in their measure, so it's a scalene also. It's a scalene triangle. Number 8, two sides equal to 4 yards and the third side equal to 2 yards. يعني two sides equal. Two sides are equal in their measure. We name it as, we call it isosceles triangle. Right. Number 9, all sides equal to 7 inches. First side 7, second side equals to 7 inches, and the third side equals to 7 inches. Yes. All sides equals to 7 inches. يبقى it's called an equilateral triangle. Right. Number 10, all sides equal to 3 feet. First, second, third, all of them equal to 3 feet. So I call it equilateral triangle. Right. It's an equilateral triangle. What about number 11? First side equals to 4 yards. Second side equals to 3 yards. Third side equals to 6 yards. All sides are different in their measures. This triangle is called scalene triangle. Right, scalene triangle. The last one, only two sides equal to 7 inches and the third one equal to 8 inches. So only I have two sides equal to each other, equal to 7 inches. We name or we call this triangle as isosceles triangle. Right, isosceles triangle. We will stop our session till here, and we will continue inshallah tomorrow, continuing more exercises about this. Inshallah, see you tomorrow and have a good day. Take care of yourself. See you soon inshallah.